Today I'm taking a look at the Ediloca EN705. So that's nice. It actually comes with a screwdriver, so we got something we can use to mount it, and that is just a tiny little Phillips. So there's the drive. We can see that as a 1 terabyte. It's an M.2 2280 NVMe SSD. So I'm going to test this as I would use it using external storage, and I'm going to be using a Zyke drive. Now it is not showing up yet, so I'm going to go to Disk Management, right-click, Disk Management. And there we can see it popped right up. So I'm just going to use the basic settings that they got. And then we can see it's right here, unallocated. Right click, new simple volume. Next, 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 next. And there we go. There is our drive. Now I'm going to do a speed test. Okay, so we are getting numbers that are very in line with what I've seen with drives in this enclosure. So for sequential 1 MB 8 process 1 thread, we got 3285 on the read, 1005 on the write. Sequential 1 MB 1 process 1 thread, 2794 and 805. Random 4K 32 process 1 thread, 450 and 25. And for the random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 66 and 21. Now it is worth keeping in mind, this is a Thunderbolt 3 computer. If you were using Thunderbolt 4, it would be even faster than that. And if you were to put the drive directly into the M.2 slot on the computer, you'd expect speeds that are even faster than that. So overall, that is a very nice drive.